Hey everyone, today we're here at the World of Macintosh Townhouse in Soho, New York. I'm here with Will Kline, brand manager from North America, Sonus faber. Today we're going to learn how to clean and care for our Sonus faber Olympica Nova speakers. So Will, can you tell me a little bit about the speaker and some general care advice?
Absolutely. So what we're looking at today is the brand new Olympica Nova 3. And while what I'm going to tell you is going to apply to all of the Olympica Nova series, we'll use this as our example. So one of the things that I like to point out when we're talking about any of the large floor standing speakers from Sonus faber is we want to be very careful about how we move them. So anytime we're moving them on hardwood floors, I want to make sure I have some sort of floor protector or a slider. If I'm moving them on carpet, I want to make sure that there's carpet sliders. And if I'm moving them any great distance, I always want to make sure that I've got a partner that can help me make sure nobody gets hurt and the speaker doesn't get damaged.
So these are absolutely gorgeous speakers. What are some general guidelines to keeping them looking this good?
So one of the things I always recommend when we're dealing with a Sonus faber speaker is to be very careful about the finish. We want to make sure it doesn't get scratched. We want to make sure that anytime you're handling the speakers, you're not wearing jewelry that might do damage to the surface of the finish. Another thing we need to be careful about is the drivers. The drivers themselves are very sensitive. They're sensitive to touch. They're sensitive to being poked or being damaged in any way. So we want to be very, very careful with each of one of these drivers, especially the tweeter. Because we use a soft dome tweeter, any pressure that's placed on that could potentially cause damage. So we want to be very, very careful about that. Also, using our natural materials in our mid-range and woofers, we want to make sure that they're not exposed to moisture or fingerprints or anything that could damage that material itself.
Thank you so much, Will. So in our next video, we're going to learn how to put that grill back on safely.